Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to Kex Diaries, where I share my life abroad, the daily grind, and the journey of chasing dreams one day at a time. Ayun, papunta tayo ngayon sa client natin kasi may home service tattoo tayo. Bali, second time ko na siyang matatatuan. No, hindi. Bali, third time ko na siyang matatatuan. So, ano siya, recommended ng tropa, ni-refer ng tropa ni Ate Cass. Thank you, Ate Cass. So, hindi naman totally home service yung gagawin natin ngayon, pero gusto ko maibigay ko 100% kay client na maayos. Kaya kinausap ko yung pinsan ko, si Kuya Joe, at saka si Ate Jing. Kinausap ko kung pwedeng makipwesto dun sa kanila kasi maganda yung bahay nila. Hindi ko ma-accommodate dun sa kwarto namin kasi hindi naman ganun kalakihan yung kwarto namin ni Carmela. Sakto lang, kaya ayun. Pumayag naman sila, tapos on the way na tayo dun ngayon. Let's do this cover up tattoo, guys. Samahan nyo ako, let's go. So yun guys, dito na tayo. Magse-set up lang ako tapos ito yung client natin. Letty, say hi to the camera! I'm doing vlogs now. Tayo, set up lang tayo. Makiki-crush muna tayo dito sa bahay ng aking pinsan.
Why are you speaking up? We all know that Eugen is a loner, doesn't get on with the other children, and now that I've met you, I understand. All right, bring it on. Go on, be on meeting. I'm game. Who's leaving? Why don't we all just look and realize that all of this is your fault, right?
Madalas lang daw, bakit yan? Alright, ba't yung pinag-pinag material?
Ano nga niya?
So, how about you? My name is Tina.
Wala, negative daw siya. Lumipat na daw siya ng ano eh. Pumirma daw siya kontrata.
Naniniwala ka.
Papa nervous breakdown and suffered from depression. She even considered taking her own life. Cosplay, also
And yeah, the pain also. This one is much simple, so I think you can handle the pain from this
is
one.
Kim Chi-young. And B is Choi Ji-sung, the plaintiff. The actions of the accused are deemed criminal when they occur in regular society. So why then do we permit it between a teacher and a parent?
In the course of our mission, we have learned of how many parents abuse the official complaint system. They exert undue pressure and stress on teachers, depriving them of the opportunity to educate. So from now on, when a teacher is accused,
Okay, sure. You can take your rest. 5 seconds.
See? The Erica cream is not effective.
My God.
How much that one?
I think this one cost 40, no?
How much that in the decision?
How much was it?
I think this one's 40.
40 something.
You can do it, Letty.
Violence against
You can do it.
violence against the infant. In other words, legally speaking, I can beat the shit
Pero
out
para
of
kasi
them.
nabutok. Dahil na, bumili lang ganito.
Maganda raw yan eh. Guys, tingin mo na kaya. Baka yung binagana. Magsahin ka kahit konti.
Testing eh.
Konti para ano, nasasauli yan sa nun eh.
Sabagay.
Nasasauli yan. O, bukas na.
So yun guys, tapos na tayo sa lining. Ngayon, bali ang ginagawa na natin ay shading na tayo. Tingnan natin kung kakayanin niya na matapos natin ang isang session kasi masakit talaga sa part na to. So tingnan natin kung paano cover up yung magagawa natin dito. Tayo-tayo lang. Problema din naman kasi yung oras. May pasok din ako ng umaga, may pasok din siya ng umaga. Kung hindi niya kakayanin, magse-second session tayo.
Parang malo ka talaga, di mo gagawin ako pero pinahalitin.
Breaking their parents' hearts.
Pero grabe din nangyari sa girlfriend niya, no? Later na nalaman kung ano talaga nangyari, no? Ay, napag nakaway niya, no? Boy! Buti di kayo iniikado.
Wala nga hika ako dito sa Saudi eh. Sa Pilipinas, lagi ako. Tapos hatching ako ng hatching. Noong nag-Saudi,
Hindi pa paano pag may pusa, no? Wala na, hindi na ako nakakahinga.
Follow, gusto lang dito eh. Too much pain.
Said go.
Already too much food.
All of you let these boys
See the one on the arms of your kuya?
same also
It's also cover up. Pero lalabas na yung cover up na pero.
Kailangan nga yan second session
Sabi
na.
ko mapayag ka na kay Kim para makasecond session ka na.
make sure to enjoy that.
Yaman mo Kuya Joy, yan iaanohan natin. Bibigyan, papasinayaan natin yan ng oras. Akong bahala dyan. Ako na ano na rin dyan pag tinitignan ko eh. Yun, so natapos ko na yung tattoo. Bali, yung picture ipapost ko na lang. Kalas na. Ready, say goodbye to the video. She survived. So yun, kalas na. Uwi na.